Twitch streamer Kaitlyn Amouranth Siragusa recently revealed that she makes a whopping $1.3 million a month from all her income streams combined. Even crazier, it was revealed that she doesn't even make most of her money on Twitch, even though that's how she gained notoriety. I'm Mackenzie and let's get into all the details. Amouranth first gained traction on Twitch for her IRL streams. These streams caused a lot of controversy in the community because she would often test the limits of what's allowed in the site's community guidelines. When it comes to making money, Twitch is not a reliable platform for Amouranth because she gets demonetized and even temporarily banned pretty often as a result of violating their strict guidelines. This has forced her to look for other income streams, one of those being OnlyFans. As we all know, OnlyFans has become very popular recently, and it gives creators the ability to put their content behind a paywall along with getting paid tips and other bonuses if fans would like to. And she claims that she makes over $1 million from her OnlyFans alone. Amouranth even shared a breakdown of the money, and she makes $500,000 from the subscriptions, another $500,000 from private messages with her fans, and another $100,000 or so just from tips. But that's not all. According to a breakdown of her income, Amouranth gets another $189,000 per month from Patreon, another $17,000 from Fansly, a new page that she's only recently set up, and between $10,000 to $25,000 a month from Instagram. She also gets about $130,000 from Twitch, TikTok, and YouTube combined, along with $5 to $15K from Twitter. And she's so successful in this space that people have even offered her money to coach them on their content. However, she didn't confirm if she had agreed to it. That would be yet another thing added onto her income. These figures used to be jaw-dropping to me, but now that we hear more and more about how much creators make on platforms like OnlyFans, it seems almost normal to be making $1 million a month. Creators like Bad Baby, Tana Mojo, Kritikop, and Bella Thorne all made $1 million in a matter of days after joining OnlyFans. Guys, please let me know your thoughts on this one below. Are any of you guys a fan of Amouranth? Are you happy she's making this much money if you are? Before I go, I'm gonna shout out some comments from my video on a man who stayed awake for over 200 hours. Chris says, after quitting a 5+ year opiate addiction, I swear I didn't sleep for 2 weeks straight. Not even for 1 minute. Worst form of hell I've ever gone through, and my heart goes out to anyone battling an addiction. Wow, 2 weeks, that is crazy. Apparently there was a woman who beat this record and did 4 weeks without sleeping. It wasn't counted by Guinness. Is that Guinness World Records? Yeah, it wasn't counted by Guinness, but people have these crazy stories. Like, I literally couldn't go. I've never pulled an all-nighter. Fun fact, never, because I just cannot do it. Then Chilo S says, I need at least 13 hours of sleep a day or I can't function. No, that is me. Like, I literally need at least 9 hours or I can't even do it. I can't even wake up in the morning. Alright guys, that's all for the video today. Thanks so much for sticking around if you made it all the way here. If you liked the video and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel below. I've been your host, Mackenzie Smith. Make sure to check us out on social media, and I'll catch you all in the next one.